So what are taxes on 1040Z? Well, let's start with taxes themselves. Taxes are a payment on top of the normal price of government tax. There are several types of taxes, such as gas tax when you fuel a car, sales tax when you buy pretty much anything else, and income tax when you make from your job, investments, and bank interest. Higher taxes are allowances for what it takes of your paycheck before you get it. Unless you're a private contractor, then you have to do this yourself. Taxes pay for a number of things called infrastructure. This includes roads, schools and teachers, public library, police and fire, and more. When government turns around and uses it, they're using a tax revenue. This is usually done by distributing or outlining the money. Taxes are what I call civic duty. This means you can go to jail if you don't pay them. Okay, so now we have the vocab. We can move on to actual 1040Z. Although one thing to note is that in the U.S. we use progressive taxing. This means the more you make, the more you pay in taxes. Smart, eh? Now about 1040Z. I keep mentioning. What is it exactly? 1040Z is a simple tax form you can fill out if you don't have any dependents, such as kids or elderly and disabled families you take care of. If you don't have much interest, you can start by filling out personal info. Make sure you put your social security number on there. Fine. Okay. And if you and the spouse filing jointly, make sure both people's info are on there. Then you mark if you have any other money stuffs that you can not be taxed on, and if you're unemployed for any part during that year. Then add all three together form your just gross income, how much total money you have minus deductions already counted. Next, you check if anyone claims on your taxes. Anyone claiming on your taxes. This means either you or your spouse doesn't work and are supported by the other one. Note the number at the bottom of the box. Put that in space to the side for factoring into the math. Next, subtract this line from line 4. This is your taxable income. Now you can put the amount of tax withheld for the year. This is found on you and or your spouse's W-2 that you got from your employer. You also need to put all the W-2 or put them all on there from all the jobs you have. Next, note if you need special income in the EIC box and if you're paid for being in the military. Otherwise, just put 0. Add line 7AA. Now use the number from line 6 to locate your position in tax package sheet. You got the forms, or you can find them online. Write down number. If you have health care all year, indicate so, otherwise you will be fined. Now we're almost done. Just simply add lines 10 and 11 and get your total tax. This is the important part. You subtract line 12 from line 9. If 12 is bigger, you fill out the space to get a refund, including the number of the account you want in it. If 12 is smaller than 9, you owe money and need some check. Finally, both you and your spouse need to sign and date the paper. Also, you need to list your primary occupation, this being the one you make the most money from. Now just file it with the government. This is all about taxes and 1040Z.